Hello, this is brief introduction to Kotlin. This is part 14. In this video we will continue to talk about collections. Here we see an example of declaration and initialization of mutable list, and here is immutable list. They are list of numbers, type of int, and then here we see function filter. In the previous video we talked also about function filter. It was used for strings. In this case we are applying the function to the list, to the mutable list, and then we are filtering out, in this case, all even numbers, and for that we are comparing remainder of division by 2 to the 0. So here we have a condition. It refers to elements of the list, and then we are filtering out all odd numbers. So sorry for even numbers. In the second list we are using function map, and then when we apply function map we can use again the reference it. In this case it's replacing the elements of the list, and it's replacing it with the new one, which is calculated by multiplying to 3. So we tripling the numbers, each element of the mutable lists. So in this case we will have, instead of 1 2 3 4, we will have 3 6 9 and 12. So, and then sorted, it's for sorting the list. Now I will show the example how to use the list. So we can declare a mutable list. We can omit the type mutable list. We can straight to use a list mutable list of. Here we can add the type if we need, and then numbers. Let's put them in random order. And then we can first list one. We can use the filter function. We can apply filter function to the m list. So inside of curly brackets we should describe the condition. So it, this is refers to elements of the m list. Let's say if they are smaller than 3, so we have condition, we are filtering elements which are smaller than 3. And then we have another list. And in this case we will use map function. Also in curly brackets we can say, like in previous case, times 3, for example. And then we can sort. Third case, we have a mutable list. sorted. Now we can test. So we can print first that filtered. So best way to print is to use the also default function on each. So then again we can use reference it and print. We can remove ln, which is creating new line. We don't need here. We can use a empty printer here to create a new line, and then basically copy paste this for the second one, just changing that to L2 and the one more for L3. So what we are doing here, we just printing, and on H is iterating over elements of the list, and it's using the same that it reference. So let's run. Okay, now as you see there is number 2, so only one number from the list is satisfying the condition, so it's number 2 is smaller than 3. And then in the other case, when we use map, we actually triple, we multiply to 3 each element of the list. So that's why we got this number here. And then as you see, 3 times 4 is 12, and then 3 times 2 is 6, and so on. We got that sequence. And then next we use sorted, and then we got sorted. So as you see, from 2 to the 6. So this is there are functions which are often used. They are compact and easy to use, and can apply to collections. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will continue to talk about collections and using data classes in collections. Thank you for watching. Bye.